You're leaving.
No, my baby! Bro, I'm not that stupid!
舞台はアメリカ、アービーズというファストフード店です。一人の従業員が解雇を言い渡されました。しかしその女性は店を出ることを拒否し、警察が呼ばれる事態となります。
What are we yelling for?
I want to know why I'm fired!
Hold on.
I want to know why I'm fired!
Hold on.
I want to know why I'm fired!
Okay.
That's it! Don't say shit else!
Don't yell at me.
I walked in the door, he told me I had to go change, I went,
Look at me.
And he gonna tell me don't come back.
Look at me.
I didn't do shit to him.
You don't come at me that way.
I don't give a f*** who you are.
Okay, well you're leaving.
I'm not until
You're leaving.
No, he gotta tell me why I'm fired.
I'm telling you.
He gotta tell me why I'm fired. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Don't play with me.
I'm telling you.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Ow! My baby! My baby!
Yep.
Get off my baby!
Stop.
Get off my baby!
See, I got one resisting.
警官が到着すると、女性は激しく感情をぶつけます。なぜ解雇されたのか説明しろ。私は妊娠している。赤ちゃんを傷つけるな。言葉のトーンはどんどんエスカレートしていきました。
Off me, bro. I'm not even doing that. I just want to know why I'm fired. All I did was look at the door and he fired me.
I'm gonna cancel you. Don't kick me. All right. Don't kick me again.
I didn't.
You kicked me.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You definitely kicked me.
I did not kick you.
You absolutely did.
No, I did not.
Look at me. Stop.
Man, no, because you just threw me to the ground.
I did, because you just kicked me.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Bro, I'm not that stupid. I did not
Stay down.
I'm cuffed, dude. I can't do shit. Damn.
Chill out. Look at me.
Bro, no.
Chill out. Jiminy Christmas, will you calm down?
Will you get off of me?
Not happening.
警官は冷静に声をかけます。落ち着け、抵抗をやめろ。しかし女性は叫び続け、揉み合いに発展しました。
Kill myself. I'm not doing this shit no more. Bro, get off of me. Bro, can you tell him? I want him. I want him. No, he's more calm. I want him. No, I want him. I want him.
Stop.
I want him. No, I want him. I don't want to walk with you.
You're walking with me.
I don't want to.
Look at me.
I want to walk with him.
You tell me you're going to walk with him?
Yep.
Okay.
He's more calm. You just threw me to the ground for no reason. I didn't even do nothing to
Okay.
you.
You did. You kicked me.
I did not kick you. Damn.
We're good. We're good.
I swear to fucking God.
Your cruiser or my cruiser?
Go yours.
I swear to God. Don't ever come back to Arby's. They weird as fuck.
Do you have any weapons on you or anything?
Do it look like I got weapons on me? I came to work.
I'm just asking.
I came to work and he fired me when I walked through the door with his racist ass.
アメリカでは業務妨害や退去拒否はれっきとした犯罪です。その場で逮捕されることも珍しくありません。
Bro, let me out! Oh my fucking God, this is so annoying! I swear to God, I'm gonna blow that up. Watch. Let me go home! Let me out! 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 Let me out!
You're making it worse on yourself.
Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
You be an adult and chill out.
Let me go home!
You're not going home. Go to the hospital right now.
For what?
To get checked out.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
You said
I
you're
don't the hospital. I don't give
You have to.
I don't care. No. Let me out. When you have to get checked out of stupid dumb why you never touch me? No, let me out.
You're just prolonging your stay at the jail, I can tell you.
I'm not going to jail.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. I didn't do shit.
If you go now, you can just bond out and get out.
Bro, what the do you mean? I didn't do nothing.
You got 4 charges on you.
For what?
Resisting,
Bro,
obstruction, trespassing,
trespassing?
ag menacing.
Bro, what are you talking about? Like, what the talk to my dad right now. I will talk to my mom, my auntie right now. My auntie work at the jail where she at.
やがて女性は病院に行きたくない父に会わせろと言い張ります。しかし警官は手続きを進め、身柄を拘束しました。このケースで女性にかけられた罪は4つ。公務執行妨害、逮捕への抵抗、不法侵入、そして過重脅迫です。
Going to jail. That's dead. That's dead. No. Bro. Let me the f out, bro. The f mad because I got an attitude. Oh my god, I got an attitude. Don't touch me.
Come on out.
I'm not going to the hospital.
You checked out too.
I'm not going to the hospital.
You're already there.
Well, I'm not going in.
You stay calm and we'll be in and out. We just gotta check you out. Yeah, once you refuse, it's air conditioning in there. Come on.
No, I want to talk to my dad. I don't
We'll
want to
let
do.
When we get through this situation, you can.
I want to talk to him now.
You can't not talk to him now. I'm sorry.
What then? I don't know what to tell him.
Come on.
小さな職場トラブルでも抵抗を続ければ刑事事件に発展します。ただ出ていくだけで終わるはずだった状況がこうして大ごとになってしまったのです。さて、あなたならどう対応したでしょうか。警官のように冷静に対応できますか、それとも感情的に巻き込まれてしまうでしょうか。ぜひコメントであなたの意見を聞かせてください。